We got a bell ringer right here. Super nice 2012 Honda Odyssey EXL. Bronze metallic paint. Can't find a single dent on it. It's got aluminum alloy wheels with good Michelin tires. Tinted windows. Rear bumper protector. Tow hitch trailer package. Stow and go third row seating. You got your DVD player too, so you got your audio hookups right there for the third row, so you can keep listening to your jams. Power sliding middle doors. You can use the remote button up front. I'll press those guys right there. 8 passenger seating. Nice light tan leather interior. It's wireless headsets for both sides. Power windows, locks, and mirrors. Power driver's seat adjustments. There's your other door opener, sliding door openers. Cool box, plenty of charge ports. Dolby Digital DVD player. Free 90-day trial, Sirius XM satellite radio. Got your backup camera. Hands-free Bluetooth steering wheel controls, auto headlights. The best part is we got less than 99,000 miles. And we got a nice sunroof. Y'all come out and see us at U Cars.